video we will see how easily you can manage your account using My Jio app. Download My Jio app from Play Store or App Store if you haven't installed it yet. Open My Jio app. Enter mobile number to log in with OTP. On the home page, you will get a quick view of your plan details and data balance. To manage your Jio number, tap on Mobile. Here you can check your plan details, high-speed data balance. Tap on Current Plan to get details about your current plan benefits, plan validity, data balance and SMS balance, renewal time and upcoming plan details. Tap on Data Balance to view your data, calls and SMS usage. On the mobile page, scroll down and select My Statement in Recharges and Payment section to view, download or email your usage statement for past 6 months. Scroll down and select Recharge History option in Transaction section to view your recent recharge transactions. Select Jio Care option from bottom and explore Jio Care section for all your queries. Use Top Questions, Troubleshoot Issues, Trending Topics, How-to videos, helpful tips, or chat with us to find answers to your queries. My Jio app is available in 12 languages. Tap on Menu. Tap on Profile and Settings and choose App Language option to change to your preferred language. You can also talk to Hello Jio, our voice assistant, for all your queries. Tap on Hello Jio icon at the top of the screen. You can select from popular options or tap on Mic and speak out your query. Unable to connect to internet? Hello Jio will diagnose the issue and will suggest steps that can be followed to resolve the same. On My Jio homepage, you can scroll down for more options such as Play and Win, Buy on JioMart, Listen to music, check news, watch movies, play games and do much more.